Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to install Centos7 in VMware Workstation. We create a new virtual machine. We choose typical. This is recommended. Next. Then I will install the operating system later. Next. We choose the version Centos7 64 bits. Next. We choose a name of our virtual machine. Take one for example. Next, we choose the size of hard disk, 14 gigabits for example. Store virtual disk as a single file. Next, and finish. Now we press edit virtual machine setting and we choose 2 gigabits of memory. That's the minimal for Centos7. And we choose the ISO image file. Browse in my desktop. Open. Okay. Now we press power on this virtual machine. We press enter to begin the installation. Press the enter key to begin the installation process. Enter again. It takes a few seconds. Now we choose language and country. Continue. Now we have localization, time and keyboard, language and installation source and software selection. In this video I choose minimal install. I don't need the interface graphic. If you want the install graphic, you press server with the GUI. I choose minimal install for this video. Done. System. I choose the hard disk. Done. I choose the automatic partition selected. For networking, if you want to on the internet connection, done. Begin installation. In this screen, we will be asked to set up the root and username detail. Root password, I choose a root password. Done. And user. Password. Done. OS is now successfully installed. We press reboot. After finishing this step, you will see the login screen. And now our user and password.